I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. God is my strength and defense. We will run and not grow weary. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year, everybody. Today is January 1st, and guess what? We are out and about enjoying nature. Hey, buddy. It is such a beautiful day. What a turnaround, because it was cold over the holiday, and today is like 60. Yes, baby, I'm talking to my friends. Want to say hi? Say hi, friends. Hi, friends. It is like 60, I think 2 degrees out here today. It feels so good. Now, full disclaimer, I am not a nature girl by any means. I do not like the nature. The only nature I like is sitting by the beach. That's considered nature. The waves and sound of the beach is my type of thing. This right here, I'm here for the fam. That's all I gotta say. Y'all, I'm out of breath. We've been walking this trail. I don't know if you can see. We're following Dada through the trail. He is leading us through the trail. And we're just enjoying the nature, enjoying the fresh air, because we're high up on this mountain. I think this is a mountain. I don't know, y'all. But yes, we are enjoying. Baby girl Ava is just like her mama. She is not impressed. Look at her face. She's not with it today. She's not with it. That's okay. But yeah, so enjoy the beautiful scenery of our hike through this trail. Let's go. We're doing it, y'all. We are hiking. Green. That's the color green. Can you say green? Green. Good job. Okay, let's go catch up together.